In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Justhost coupon code that would give you a Justhost discount of up to 74% off plus a free domain name. To get your Justhost coupon code discount of up to 74% off, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Justhost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Justhost discount. Now let me walk you through the steps of getting the Justhost discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be at the Justhost homepage. You'll see you can get Justhost web hosting for as low as $3.95 a month. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the plans page. You'll see 3 different plans: the Basic, Plus, and Choice Plus plan. Once you decide on the plan to go with, hit the Select button. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Basic plan. You'll now be on the domain page where you can set up your free domain name. Enter a domain name that you like to go with and hit the Next button. If you already have a domain, you can click on the I already have a domain name and enter the domain you own. You'll now want to enter your payment information in. Under the package information section, you can choose how long to purchase your Justhost web hosting for under account plan. Click on the plan and term and you can select the Justhost web hosting term. You can choose 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. You'll see you'll get the greatest discount the farther out you purchase your Justhost web hosting for. Something to note, to get the free domain name, you'll have to choose one of the annual plans. The monthly plan doesn't include a free domain name. Next, input any package extras you'd like to go with, enter your payment information in, and click You agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Submit button. Justhost will now email you your receipt along with login details so you can log into the Justhost dashboard and you can continue creating your site. That is my Justhost coupon code discount tutorial. Thanks for watching, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.